Hi everyone. Today I am going to show you how to create local user administrator account in Windows 10. You must log into Windows using administrator account in order to create account. Click on Windows logo button on your keyboard. Select settings icon. Choose accounts. On left sidebar choose family and other users. Click on add someone else to this PC. Click on I don't have this person sign in information. Click on add a user without Microsoft account. Insert username and password and choose security questions. Select Next. Standard local account is created. Change a local user account to an administrator account. Select User. Click on Change Account Type. Choose Account Type Administrator. Press OK. Administrator account is created. Thanks for watching. If you like my tutorial, hit the like button and also subscribe to my channel for amazing tutorials.